Hello everyone. Today I am going to start new topic, potential energy of an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. Suppose an electric dipole consisting of 2 point charges minus q and plus q separated by a small distance 2a is placed in a uniform electric field E at an angle theta. I have shown here. Then force acting on the charge plus q, it is QE. It is acting in the direction of electric field, and force acting on the charge minus q, it is minus QE, but it is acting opposite to the direction of electric field. Now we will draw a perpendicular from point B and we will produce it. They are meeting at point C. So this ABC, it is in a right angle triangle. Then P stands for dipole moment. The electric dipole moment P equals to Q into 2A. Earlier we have derived the expression for torque. Then torque acting on the dipole is given by PE, tau equals to PE sin theta. Now we will calculate the small amount of work done in rotating the dipole through an angle d theta. The small amount of work done in rotating the dipole through an angle, how much? D theta. It is given by dw equals to tau into d theta. I have taken this expression for work done from rotational motion class 11th, unit 5. I have already explained in unit 5, class 11th. dw equals to tau into d theta. Value of tau is PE sin theta. You will get dw equals to PE sin theta d theta. Now to calculate the total work done, we will integrate it. Then total work done is given by, now the limits, what will be the limits? Theta 1 to theta 2. The integration of dw equals to theta 1 to theta 2 PE sin theta d theta. Now integration of dw equals to w. PE we can take outside the integration symbol. You will get PE, and integration of sin theta d theta, it is minus cos theta. Now you can take minus n common. W, work done W equals to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. First of all, you have to apply upper limit minus lower limit. Then this is the amount, this is the expression for work done. This work done will be conserved as potential energy, or you can say this work done will be equal to the potential energy of the electric dipole. So here this potential energy U equals to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. If we consider the dipole perpendicular to the direction of electric field, and this is the final position. If theta 1 is taken as 90 degree, theta 2 is taken as theta, then U equals to minus PE and cos theta minus cos 90 degree. You know very well cos 90 is 0, then U equals to minus PE cos theta. We can also write it in vector form. So U equals to minus P dot E, because potential energy is a scalar quantity and the dot product of two vectors is always a scalar. Therefore U equals to minus P dot E, it is in vector form and this is in scalar form. In numericals we are using generally this. Thank you.